Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks using cement. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need Portland cement, clean sand, and a suitable aggregate like gravel or crushed stone. Don't forget a reliable water source and a sturdy brick mold. Having a shovel and a wheelbarrow will also make the process much easier for mixing and transporting your materials. We'll focus on a simple, effective method. Now let's get to mixing. A common ratio for strong bricks is 1 part cement, 3 parts sand, and 6 parts aggregate. Start by dry mixing these components thoroughly in your wheelbarrow or on a clean surface. Then slowly add water, little by little, while continuously mixing. You're aiming for a consistent, stiff paste that holds its shape but isn't too wet or too dry. This ensures uniform strength. With your mixture ready, it's time to mold your bricks. Place your mold on a flat, level surface. Scoop the cement mixture into the mold, pressing it down firmly to fill all corners. Use a tamper or a piece of wood to compact the mixture tightly, removing any air pockets. This compaction is crucial for the brick's density and strength. Carefully remove the mold, leaving your freshly formed brick. The final and perhaps most critical step is curing. After molding, keep your bricks moist for at least 7 days. You can do this by covering them with plastic sheeting or by gently misting them with water several times a day. This process allows the cement to fully hydrate, gaining maximum strength. After this initial curing, let them air dry for another 2 to 3 weeks before use. Proper curing makes durable bricks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.